You guys, if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Dog, brother Wayne, Dion. So we finally decided to explore the cave this morning. You know? Yeah, water run out. I really want to go down there to go see. But how me I come up?
You no chance that today.
You no chance that today.
The plan to come and you carry rope and type on this up. Type on this and go down. And have some if we come back up. When you go back down now, you have to climb that tree there come up.
Yeah.
You can climb that tree there? Nail board for you come up.
Here they guys.
How easy to go down and come up?
Here they. Watch it guys. So amazing. Watch it. But you see like I want tunnel there right there so. We can come out there so. Look there guys. Watch it. Here the guys. Okay. Okay, now walk on and see that. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah man. Okay. Water, a spring from.
I like the and good on this. How you come back up?
Here the guys. Try to give me the best shot.
Funny, you have to climb on nail and board.
Yeah, you can. Me I tell you, you can go through there. Right there, sir.
Yeah.
Right there, sir.
But it's so close, it's so close.
Yeah, so you can actually walk through yourself to go down there. I do it one other time.
Yeah, man.
Do it one other time. Me can't go through, you know.
Just come and fold in leather and fold it. Yeah, and put it down, lean it on the tree.
Yeah, because it's grown not
All you
that far.
have to do, if you even carry a piece of rope still, you carry fold in leather. Yeah. So you come up to a dimension and you done. For the rope.
Yeah, folding it out like if we reach way up.
And carry a headlight.
Yeah, and guess the funny thing, when me find it first time, you know, I couldn't find it back, you know. I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it back.
Nice.
Couldn't find it back, so.
Nice.
Carry rope, carry leather, carry everything, carry headlight.
Camera shade, board, signal and find to some extent.
Because you see down there, so now, when you go down there, you want to have enough light to pitch on the camera. That means that in a dark.
Right, so you have to carry more than one light.
Me have light, man. Me go borrow brother Wayne light, and me have for me solar flashlight. We shine really bright. Yeah, we are find one another spot today to cook again, guys. Yeah, so we see one little track right there, so. Yeah. All over here have spring, so. It will lead to somewhere, the track will lead to somewhere. Yeah, brother, we're gonna drop way off right here, so. That's steady. Yeah, empty truck. Yeah, that's an empty truck.
Empty car.
Yeah, one empty car. Empty car.
I have the living colors. Oh. Yeah, that's all the things, man.
They put them. Yeah, Dion.
Yeah, I can't get any food left.
We have a cook off your food left. Eh?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, cross. Yeah, cross over there. I want to cook right there, so. Hmm? Powder and do? That you pop down, dog?
No, man, so where would I go for the fuck?
No, but so one other stream there on the other side, you know?
Oh, so we walk away from go.
Over where other stream there. Later, Lala. Later, brother.
Don't fall down.
How much of that cross water?
Hey.
Cross water, sir.
I'm too back put them here.
Hey. I want him walk over there.
Front foot all the best. If you use the back foot, I walk across water.
I want a different dog this one. Look come on my boss. Yeah. Pumpkin around. I'm gonna say I'm lucky enough to see none funny. A young pumpkin. That's it guys. Lucky enough to see it. Amazing. Another great adventure again. Caribbean vibe cooking. Yeah. Give God thanks. Entire place look like a wreck. Swear Father God. Beryl left destruction every 3 diagram. Every 3 diagram. Not even know. Big pumpkin guys, correct? Watch it. Guys, I try to see if we can find the river. I swear, believe me, dog gone at one end, I'm gone at one end because tree them blow down kinda hard to actually even find the river. Everything cover up, but me I hear the water around and I can't able to find no location. All I hear are the water and still the dog gone at one part gone. You don't find nothing yet? I could get closer to it. I get closer to the water. I get closer to the water. Dog has a machine. Try. You can actually find. Tie up in a bush like me last right now, guys. Tie up in a bush. No loss. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Hey peeps, blessed Sunday morning to you all. Today once more, we know a great vlog. We're do some stew, pig head or hog head with pig foot. And some cornmeal, dumpling and banana. I find one little breadfruit you can go on. Although you better go on the most of the things will get dear now.
Tomato and bell pepper can't buy.
Things they get dear now, brother.
$1,000 a pound for bell pepper, $1,000 a pound for tomato.
I get the pig head cut up. I debone him. Yeah, if I don't cut up it, throw some water on it. Add some vinegar to cut the excess rawness. Yeah, man.
You know, like you're not leaving no vinegar, don't you plan to do?
No, no,
So guys, dog of here do most of the prepping because my hand still no 100. The king crab shell bust my hand me down. Still no come back yet, still a heal. Yeah. Still a heal, guys.
Yeah, people they want part of one little place. No bush, one little hideout, you know. One little stream. Yeah. There, man.
Yeah, I'm going to show you it, guys. So everything actually look the same, people. We leave the bag them and couldn't find them. We actually lost the bag them. It take we a while to find back the bag them. But this is how they're somewhere in our somewhere in Westmoreland. That one with somewhere in Westmoreland, my people. A nice little stream, as you can see. Yeah. Up on a nice little farm. See some pumpkin. Yeah.
I get the ground season and cut up now. Season up how to do the foot. Drain off the excess water off my cook. Add in some pork season. Maggi, all purpose. Garlic powder. A little soy sauce. A little browning. We're going to see the piece of fresh thyme. 1 pepper, some ginger, 3 pepper garlic, onion, scallion, some fresh scallion. So I'm going to rub in the season now. That's my flavor already, brother. And the pork not ready yet. Pretty color pork. I'll let this marinate now for about 20 minutes.
We'll saute some garlic, fresh chopped garlic. Even though dog had garlic in a hit already, fresh garlic and garlic powder. You love garlic, so I love to use a lot of garlic when you come on to cooking. I'm going to add in the pork smell good, boy. Good job. Cover it. Half a sauce in our pot. Cover it so you can steer it and produce its own liquid. What you want? Afraid what? Eh? I say you covered your dog, boy.
I don't cover, I don't want me to over. Yeah?
Oh, you covered.
You want me to get a red up? Right, I want to get a red up.
Oh, you covered the dog.
You're covered, man.
Oh, cause look for with that water, guys. Look there. Look there.
Right, I want to get you.
Look there, guys. Water nice, I swear. Cool. Cool. Swear, guys. Look there. Look there. Water cool and nice. I have to definitely get a beer today. That is our first actually I come here to here. So water cool and nice. Swear. Pork I go out with. Yeah.
Peeps, that's pretty pork.
Pork coming along. So I add one small piece of rosemary in it. So stew pork cook them in a rosemary sauce. So if you notice a small portion of rosemary I use because rosemary is rich in flavor. You don't want to overpower the pork with the rosemary. Alright, so I add in the rosemary and I add enough water to cover it. Cover the pork. Yeah, here thunder roll.
Yeah, we get the flour in, just add in some salt. Mixing the salt like cornmeal on the flour. Water. Mix up. Dumpling pot a boil up now, so we are getting dumpling in the pot. Good old cornmeal dumpling. Now carrot will just some small dumpling.
So then they're not big?
Big old dumpling. Look at dumpling now. That's not too big man there, I'll be doing it. Yeah, see it. Yes, I get dark up so. Yeah, but we can go for now. It's safe now never. Peas, cornmeal, come up in a dumpling. I add in the breadfruit now. So dumpling pretty peeps.
Big.
Good on. I'm a big size, big dumpling man.
Yes, I'm not like big dumpling.
So look one them big and them little.
They're big or they're little.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what.
I make one them big and few one them little.
Yes, the dumpling they're big or little.
Yeah man, make few one them little, few one them
Look
big.
for them guys. For the dumpling them now.
A big dumpling man.
Yeah.
A little something boy. Look at that. Watch it.
Alright, so you win.
And
How you go to the one?
eh?
Where you to the
There's
one?
no bar treat up.
A treat up there. Let's see how that there.
A treat up you, watch it.
Watch out. Come on, man. Come on, Papa. Watch out.
A treat up you, there's no bar treat up.
Alright.
Nice rocking chair.
Hey.
Yeah.
Sure, say a treat up that there to the one.
Yes man, peeps look at see it. Treat up. Nice look rocking chair. Keep me rocking.
Rock till the food ready.
Yeah.
It's been the right as a vlog. I don't even realize I'm the right beside a hog plum tree. You know, but the thing about the hog plum, they have worm. So they have some little plum. Most time they have worm in it. Bunch right down here. So I have to be careful. In Jamaica we call them hog plum. That's what we grew up in. Here everybody call them hog plum. Yeah, pork a come, almost cooked, tender enough now where it can be eaten. So start off, I'm going to add 2 carrots in it. Cover me and go on cook. So 5 minutes after, I add in the Irish potato.
Banana, dumpling and boil up. Yeah. on the pot peeps. Dumpling. Why not? Hit one.
Yeah guys, I'm gonna re-season the pot. You know, today are some stew pork, stew pig head, with pig foot, cooked down a rosemary sauce. So we're gonna add some fresh herbs and spice, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, tomato, bell pepper. And people to wear how the tomato and bell pepper there, right? You know, all of that come like we can't go use it to cook with again, I swear. But the rasta, see that?
Yeah.
You're gonna come down, you get it? Get it guys? You're gonna come down. In a rainy season, see how we're gonna go quench rain. Every day now when we go shoot video in a rain. Get it? Guys, I'm gonna check on the pot. Actually finished. They see it never easy when it come on to outdoor content, like you have to tie up the canvas in a rain. Just see, make sure so we can give you video. And taste it, you know? So I go and feed. Yeah man, full of flavor. You can taste the rosemary in the sauce. And the thing about the rosemary no overpower it where it's too strong. You can just taste the rosemary in it. You taste the onion, the garlic, the ginger, the pimento seed, all of the herbs and spice you can actually pick up in it. I want a stew haggard with hog foot with rosemary sauce to the boiled cornmeal dumpling, boiled banana and boiled breadfruit.
Yeah man, I look at boiled breadfruit.
Yeah.
The peeps really wet up. Yeah man, but can never too safe because see there we always make sure say we have the canvas.
Yeah, every electronic gadget, all of them tie up in a plastic bag and safe. That one we have to take care of the gadgets them.
Yes man. No man, the pot's already there now man.
Yeah.
That time I call for cornmeal dumpling, you know man. Yes man, the rainy time I call for cornmeal dumpling with what? Haggard and pig foot. Fully active. Pig foot.
Hog foot.
Alright sir, you say hog foot.
Hog foot. Pig a beard.
You call me name when you say hog foot.
Hog foot.
With pig head.
Yeah, see there. This I should have some bean in it and out to boy.
Boy.
Yeah, man. Just to make it simmer down a little bit more.
Yeah.
See there.
And then ready.
Yeah. Ready, come on.
If I don't too hungry, now tell her. You can't wait, not to keep out on the floor. Yeah man. You look at the gravy.
Look at this, man.
Yes man, you can't wait, don't tell man. Yeah, look at the pot. Look at piece of meat. You said you're going to keep on looking for meat. Yeah. The marina coffee. It is there. Yes man. Yeah. When I get wet up in the marina, those food you want to eat.
You know, I want to feel your flour this way, right?
Come in, stand up in the dumpling. Can't wait. One piece of meat. So I need now.
The little breakfast. Keep the fire blazing, guys, because man, it tastes so wet up.
Keep warm.
Cool. So I'll try to keep warm. Yeah, guys, boy, wet up, yeah. Wet up from head to toe. Swear. I got to rain a cool down, you know. It's on the heat. Canvas through to the fire. Cool. You cannot see that.
Oh man, well. You just call me name. When it's a brown stew, soup, pig head or pig foot. Yes sir, let you let me know me sir. Every food sweet. Stew pig head with pig foot. Cornmeal dumpling, banana and the breadfruit. It's eternal and it's sweet. Yeah, not everything. Hold on. Yes, the breadfruit full of roast, but and it can't boil. That's right. You can't cut them dumpling. My dumpling for bite.
Guys, brown stew, hog foot. Cook down a rosemary sauce. Rosemary sauce.
Oh, yeah, rosemary.
I bomb. Man, pig head. So nice. Juicy and tender.
That's man, I need to try it, man. That's why I buy dumpling.
This Caribbean vibe. We did it again. Yeah man. One more hit again. Another.
What am I more eat for me?
Alright, go on then man, go on.
Hey, you talk like I'm don't want to eat, eh? I'm don't want to eat. I film name in call, no. When you go say pig foot and pig head, oh my world. I don't know a drift, you know. Yes, please. Welcome to the end of the video. It's a great day. Rain. I go home and my belly full. Can't talk too much. But you don't know what you know, man. Yeah, man, if you like up the video, man, like up the video, man. Share the video, man. Subscribe, man. Yes, man. We want 10,000 likes. Yes, man. See you in the next video. Fully active. Out.
Hey guys, thank you for being a part of my Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog journey. Really appreciate the love and the support, you know. As the dog say, like, comment, share and subscribe because we are going. You know, the rain a fall, but you know we have to shoot video, man. So you guys can get the content them for watch. So peace out, guys.